case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2010, a crucial court case took place between the National Petrochemical and Refiners ASIN and the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. The central point of contention was the EPA's authority to enforce renewable fuel regulations under the Energy Independence and Security Act, EISA, of 2007. The EISA mandated that obligated parties introduce specific volumes of biofuel into the domestic gasoline supply each year. The regulations stirred controversy among obligated parties, prompting them to obtain Renewable Identification Numbers, RINs, for each gallon of biofuel. However, groups such as the National Petrochemical and Refiners Association and the American Petroleum Institute registered legal challenges against the EPA's final rule. These challengers raised the contention that the EPA had overstepped its mandate by trying to enforce the regulations after a legally defined deadline. Moreover, they argued that the new rules described under the Renewable Fuel Standards Program, RFS2, were retroactively altering the legal obligations and expectations of obligated parties. However, the court found merit in the EPA's approach. It concurred that the EPA had the authority to ensure that the biomass-based diesel volumes for 2009 and 2010 were sold or introduced into commerce, even if done so after the statutory deadline. Importantly, the court found that the final rule was not retroactive in nature, as it did not alter the legal obligations of the obligated parties before its effective date. It dismissed claims that the rule retroactively changed the legal status quo and deemed a review of the rule unnecessary. In summary, the court affirmed the EPA's authority under the EISA, rejected the idea of the final rule having retroactive effects, and dismissed calls for its review. This judgment fortified the EPA's position in enforcing renewable fuel regulations according to the EISA, rejecting any claims of retroactivity or legal disruption.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class